What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Wavy Boy X back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you 3 tips on how to keep your waves crispy over the summer. Step 1, always have a brush on you. This is a Magic Wave brush. This is what I started with. It's not the best, but it's pretty good for the price range. And if you're woofing, have a hard brush. See, they make all kinds of brushes, soft, medium, hard, so it doesn't even matter. Second step, wear a do-rag every time you get in the shower, because it's gonna be a lot of humidity and you don't want your hair frizzing up like mine is right here a little bit. So yeah, wear a do-rag. And the third step, always go to sleep with your do-rag on, or if you wear a stocking cap because it's gonna be hot, yeah, wear one of those. I'm gonna start wearing my stocking cap because it's already hot in this room. If you want to hear more about me talking about my waves, remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, and comment.